Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 5th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from BWX Technologies. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. BWX Technologies, a leader in nuclear solutions, has just released their third quarter 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BWX Technologies reported a revenue of $672 million for the third quarter of 2024, marking a 14% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 17% increase in the government operations segment, which benefited from higher naval nuclear component production and microreactors. The commercial operations segment also saw a slight increase, mainly due to higher sales in commercial nuclear components and medical products.
And how about profitability?
BWXT's net income for the quarter was $69.6 million, with an adjusted EBITDA of $127 million, up 19% year over year. The EPS came in at 76 on a GAAP basis and A3 on a non-GAAP basis, reflecting strong operational performance and cost management.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. BWXT has announced the acquisition of AOT, a sole source provider of depleted uranium and specialty metals. How does this fit into their strategic initiatives?
This acquisition is a strategic move to expand BWXT's special materials portfolio, particularly in mission-critical defense applications. It's expected to close by year-end and will slightly contribute to their 2025 growth, which is projected to be in the mid to high single digits for revenue, non-GAAP EPS, and adjusted EBITDA.
They've also raised their 2024 EPS guidance. What does this indicate?
Raising the 2024 non-GAAP EPS guidance to approximately $3.20 underscores their confidence in continued strong performance, driven by recent contract wins and operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How did the different segments perform?
The government operations segment reported an operating income of $101.6 million, up 19% from last year, thanks to higher revenue and solid operational performance. However, the commercial operations segment saw a decrease in operating income to $6.7 million, mainly due to a shift in product mix and non-recurring expenses.
And what about their cash flow and dividends?
Despite a decrease in operating cash flow due to contract timing, BWXT maintained a quarterly dividend of $0.24 per share. Their free cash flow was negative at $7.7 million, but they are focusing on long-term investments, including the expansion of their Cambridge manufacturing plant.
Key takeaways. In summary, BWX Technologies has delivered a strong third quarter with significant revenue growth and strategic initiatives like the AOT acquisition. Their raised EPS guidance and continued dividend payments highlight their robust financial health and commitment to shareholder value. John, any final thoughts?
BWXT is well positioned for future growth, especially with their focus on expanding their special materials portfolio and operational excellence. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic developments and market dynamics in the nuclear sector.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BWXT's performance in the comments below.